piny owacho tayo chenro magi kendo ketho moko kuomgi ibiro duoko chino kenge mosego e sekta mar thieth. Riwruogego bende oseo Director General mar thieth e pacho ka Patrick Kamoth magi wacho ni karo bedo ni kod ting' mar tayo chenro mag thieth e pacho ka en emotelo e rocho sekta no.
Today, together we have resolved as follows, that the ministry and the parliament must drop the issue of declassification, defunding and merger with immediate effect and in totality. And if they do not do this within the next 14 days, then all of us shall issue a strike notice and proceed on strike.
These regulatory bodies are protecting the professional trainings, professional practice, and the quality of healthcare that each of these professional bodies are giving to wananchi. Whenever it is reformed without our expertise, then it means the quality is going to go down and Kenyans are going to get services that are not standard.
The Health Act actually designated the person of the Director General as the highest technical person in the ministry to advise the country and the President on matters of